Draw My Life, The Magnesium Cycle Edition by Felicia Luciani, Caitlin Marrero, and Denitza Gonzalez. It all starts off from a rock. Yes, that's right, folks. I'm from a rock. This rock, after many weeks, months, and years of weathering and erosion caused by wind, rain, and ice, begins to release magnesium ions, aka me. As I relinquish my freedom, I am then collected in a pool of soil water as soon as it rains. Once there has been enough rain, the soil water ends up in a runoff, straight to the deep, dark ocean. Going along with me, you can find waste and fertilizer going through this runoff. However, lucky for the other magnesium ions and I, we stay at the surface layer of the ocean, where it's bright and sunny, until they arrive. Phytoplankton then take us in and use us to photosynthesize. Talk about a one-sided relationship, ugh. Anyway, where was I? Oh, right. The phytoplankton use us to form chlorophyll, then that phytoplankton gets eaten by zooplankton, and that zooplankton gets eaten by small fish, and then that small fish is eaten by a bigger fish, and so on. You know, food chain and all. Not gonna lie, it can get pretty dark and lonely in here. Finally, after what seems like decades, the last organism dies, sinking to the bottom of the ocean. And I, along with the other magnesium ions, are freed and no longer dissolved. This is where there's a fork on the road. Some of us will live on, getting carried back up to the surface layer due to upwelling and therefore repeating the cycle, and others will stay at the seabed, stuck by deposition of the sediment and absorbed by another creature. And that's it. In case you couldn't tell, my life is one crazy roller coaster.
Hey guys, this is just your average zooplankton coming by to tell you a little bit about the biological uses of magnesium. Magnesium does a lot. It's not only beneficial for me, but for other organisms of the ocean like plants, shells, corals, and more. For example, magnesium is a part of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the green pigment that these plants use to extract energy from sunlight, in a process that's called photosynthesis. That's incredible. Magnesium is also a main contributor to the growth of corals. Without it, they wouldn't be able to grow and be healthy. And did you know that magnesium is the third most abundant ion in the ocean alongside sodium and chloride? Yup, it's true. I can't believe it either. Okay, now let's take a step out of the water for just a second. On top of the various things magnesium does, it is also needed for more than 300 biochemical reactions in the human body. It helps to maintain muscle function, supports a healthy immune system, and helps bones remain strong.